When are you opening Eclair de Génie in Australia?
Eclair de Génie Coffee in Australia, call me.
I'm here at Eclair de Génie, otherwise known as Genius Eclair. Now this is the patisserie by Christophe Adam. The most popular eclair is a caramel eclair, but they do have different eclairs that they bring out every single month. It's always awkward and very unladylike to taste an eclair, but let's see how we go. The word eclair comes from the French word lightning, and that's because classically eclairs are really cracked and uneven. So to get an eclair that's not only perfect in shape and finish is quite the challenge. But Christophe Adam has absolutely nailed it. Each eclair looks identical, and no matter which store you go to, not only here in Paris, but now globally, they'll all look identical. Can you tell me when you started in patisserie, where you started your apprenticeship? Was it in Paris and where was it?
No, I started the pastry 30 years ago. This 30 years ago in Brittany, in France, but in Brittany. Very early, I started at 15 years old. First job, completely a big hour, around 12 hours a day. But year after year, I loved pastry more and more.
You're responsible for reinvigorating and making fashionable again the eclair.
Long time ago, no?
Yes, can you tell me how that started?
I love eclair. I think I live with the eclair all of my life. And of course with Eclair de Génie in Paris, in China and Japan, we have now 8 countries. I love to create eclair, and you know in France, eclair, when you are baby, you start to eat pastry with chocolate eclairs. I love to create a lot of new eclairs all over the year, and now we created 350 eclairs in 6 years.
Is there some eclairs that you don't change?
One eclair never change. It's eclair caramel, salted caramel. It's my preferred. It's a bestseller everywhere in the world. I don't know why. We opened in Shanghai 1 month ago, and in Shanghai it's the first eclair. So I don't understand why. And after you have vanilla and pecan. Chocolate, but chocolate I change some chocolate around 2 or 3 times by year.
The glaze on top, some of the eclairs are coated in chocolate, some of them are glaze. Which is easier to create?
It depends eclair what you want to create. Some people don't love eclair and they want to eclair with a lot of cream on the top. We have 1 or 2 eclairs like this all the time, but in France, we love just the glaze on the top. You know, nice glaze for caramel, chocolate, vanilla. It's like a ganache. It's a white chocolate, vanilla, cream. But we need a real nice temperature for finish the eclair.
Have you got any tips for someone making an eclair to get a nice clean finish?
No, it's not a secret, but if you want to finish a nice eclair, you need to start with nice pâte à choux. Nice pâte à choux, you know, I know, all of pastry in the world, you know, it's very difficult to have a nice pâte à choux.
Do you cook in a convection oven or a deck oven?
Deck oven, like a bakery, bakery.
Do you spray the eclair with oil
nothing.
or fat? Nothing.
Nothing. Just in the oven, around 160 degrees, 50 minutes, and don't open, nothing. Just open, you know, the aeration
Yeah,
after the vent, after 15-20 minutes. That's it. I love to to work around 1 or 3 books by year. So I have a new book tomorrow, so I have some picture for 3 days. So it's my creation to create some pastry just for the book. So caramel, it's my first real nice book.
Can you tell us what the new book is about?
Apple.
Apple?
Yes.
Really?
I have a tomato, maybe in around 2 months, and I work now for Apple, just for a small book, but like how I love to work. It's a nice picture, nice design, but a small book, around 40 recipes of Apple.
Have you got any advice to a young pastry chef just starting?
If you want a job, if you want to travel everywhere in the world, it's for you. But it's I'm so old now. I think I'm old. We need to love working. Just love working. It's very important. If you don't love working, don't start the pastry.
Do you see any future fashions or trends in patisserie? What do you see?
The pastry change. We have a lot of new design, new pastry chef. So now it's everywhere in the world. I don't know. I just want to be here a long time.
If you enjoyed that episode, you will love my channel. Subscribe today for even more tutorials on chocolate and baking. Best of all, it's free, so get on it.